Hello, students. Welcome to Tutor Cabin. Today, we are going to learn a new topic that is sentence. First of all, what is English? English. Why I'm asking this question? So, what is English? English is a language. And for any language, what is the basic thing which you should know is sentence. When you speak in English, obviously you would need to know sentence first. So, sentence is a unit of language and it is a group of words joined grammatically and makes a complete sense. Sentence का कुछ meaning होना चाहिए. For example, children loves the park. Is this a sentence? इसका कुछ मीनिंग है? मीनिंग है चिल्ड्रन लव्स द पार्क. चिल्ड्रन को, बच्चों को पार्क जाना पसंद है. It is making a sense, so this is a sentence. Now, there can be other examples also of a sentence like Ali is walking, Mary enjoys cooking, sun rises in the east. Okay, all these sentences have certain meaning. It is a sentence. Now, do you know how many types of sentences are there? There are four types of sentence. There are four types of sentence. Declarative or assertive sentence. First one is declarative or assertive sentence. Then imperative sentence. The next one is interrogative sentence. And the last is exclamatory sentence.